Okay, today we're going to talk about Aprilaire. This is a genuine air filter for your home. I change these every 6 months. This is a MERV 13, so if you have allergy issues, things like that, I definitely like this specific one. Has activated carbon. What that means, basically, it helps remove odor and smells from the home. This is a whole house filter. This is the 213 CBN is the item number of this specific one. So I like this one a lot. I use it all the time. I change them every 6 months. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Okay, guys, I'm going to try to make this as easy as possible. So if you have one of these big air cleaners here, these air filters, super simple to change. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you should have one of these in your basement where your heat exchanges right here. And these here, they're simple to change, so don't be intimidated. I already opened this up already. This is a brand new one. I'm going to pull this out, and just to, so you know, make sure your system is off, or turn the heat all the way down. That way it doesn't run. Either way, that way you won't have it running while you're in the middle of changing your filter. Okay, so next step you have to do is just basically open up the cartridge here. So this just pops right open. This is super easy, as you can see here. All you have to do to take these out, and these are accordion style. And to remove these, all you do is pull it out. Okay, you can see here all the dust and dirt. Hopefully you can see that. Dust and dirt, really easy to remove. Just pull these straight out. Just like I said, it's an accordion style. See here? So you want to do is just face it going towards the direction, airflow. So it shows you the airflow here. Airflow in this instance is going down. Okay, so here is the old one. Just want to show you that. And I'm going to show you the new one. So you're going to see the comparison, how different this is. This is a brand new one. And you can see how clean this one is. This one is super clean and brand new. And this one is old. So you can see, this is the new one. And this is the old one. You can see all the dust and particles in there. And this one is brand new. Just line up the channels. Okay, this side and this side. Just like that. And once they get going, it's like a rail. They'll ride on the rail and you basically push it right in. Just like the old one. And that's all it is to change the air filter. Put on your cover, just like this here. Snap it on, and that is done. That's how easy it is to change your filter on this Aprilaire genuine filters. I love these filters. I buy them in single packs or double packs. You save a little bit of money if you buy the 2-pack, and definitely love this.